In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of my favorite local drinks of all time. Yes, this is super healthy, spicy, sweet, and very refreshing. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to join this beautiful family. So, let's jump right in. For my ingredients, I have here some ginger, dry pepper, peppercorn, cloves, and grains of selim. I also have some millet, which I've already soaked for 24 hours. Okay, some soak it for about 6 hours, and then you're good to go. Okay, just make sure your millet is well soaked because it becomes very easy to blend. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead to rinse my millet, then blend it with the other ingredients. Okay. And to my returning and new subscribers, I really appreciate you all for always coming back. And also, if you are new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to join this beautiful family. And thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you. So spicy millet is a fermented beverage from the northern part of Ghana with a spicy sweet taste, which you can use rice or millet. Okay, it's very healthy and refreshing. So friends, if you're having a get together or a barbecue this summer, make sure you add this drink to your drink list for this summer. Okay, and trust me, your guests are going to love it because it's very healthy and very nutritious. So once I'm done rinsing, we'll add the rest of the ingredients, then transfer it to my blender. I'm also going to add in enough water so that I can extract as much juice from the mixture. Okay. We'll then add in my water and cover it and blend it until it is nicely smooth. Once I'm done blending, we'll go ahead to strain it with my cheesecloth. Okay, it's really important to strain it very well because you don't want any unwanted particles. Okay, so if you feel like straining it a couple of times, just go ahead and do so. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just rinse the blender and pour it back in so that I can get more juice, okay? So guys, as simple as that, our spicy millet drink is ready. But before I add my sweetener, I love my Hausa Koko. So I'm just going to go ahead to scoop some and set it aside. So once it settles to the bottom, we'll use it for my Hausa Koko. Okay, I do have the recipe on that, which I've linked it below in the description box as well. Okay, so please do check it out. Alright, so we'll go ahead to add in my sugar, give it a gentle stir. Please adjust the sweetener to your taste, okay? This drink is so easy to make, and I know for sure you're going to love it when you try it. And to take it to the next level, you can go ahead to serve it with some ice and add in some evaporated milk. It's so refreshing, guys. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and until I come your way with another deliciousness, please stay blessed and happy. Bye guys.